Seventh question, 99x plus 101y is equal to 499 and 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. So इसके पहले आपने जो भी मेथड किया था, that is by multiplying and dividing by making the coefficient same, वो इस sum में चलने नहीं वाला. It's because to predict this kind of sum, to understand is to check the coefficient. यहाँ पे अगर आप coefficient देखोगे, so it's a vice versa. So 99x plus 101y. So यहाँ पे जो coefficient है, it's just reversed it, that is 101x and plus 99y. Now to do this type of sum, this is a type of sum which you need to remember, the method. So यहाँ पे आप multiply और division करके आपका वो simultaneously नहीं होने वाला. It's you have to use a different method in this case. So the first step, you're gonna add this both the equation, that is equation number 1 and equation number 2. So adding equation 1 and 2. So 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. So you add, so you get 99x plus 101, that is nothing but your 200x. Also over here 101y plus 99y give you 200y. So 499 plus 501, so you get 0, 0 and 1000. Now if you see over here the coefficient of x and y is same, you can take a common over here, so you take common, you get x plus y is equal to 1000. Now 200 is over here, you shift it on the right hand side, you get x plus y is equal to 1000 upon 200, which you cancel it out, you get as 5. So x plus y is equal to 5. This becomes your equation number 3. Now next step, you subtract. Subtracting equation 1 and 2. So 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. So 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. So if you subtract over here, minus plus will change to minus, minus plus change to minus. So 99x minus 101x will give me minus 2x, 101y minus 99y. So it will be plus 2y because the sign of plus is on the bigger number. Now 499 minus 501 is minus 2 because the minus is on 501, that is a bigger number. Now you can take 2 common away, so you get minus x plus y equal to minus 2. Now you shift the 2 that side, you get minus x plus y is equal to minus 2 upon 2, which will get cancelled and you get minus 1. So you get minus x plus y is equal to minus 1, which is equation number 4. So आपको दो equation मिलता है यहाँ पे, third and fourth. Now you can add or subtract and you get the value of x and y. So I'll do adding because the coefficient is similar of both the equation. यहाँ पे coefficient is 1 of both the variable and the coefficient over here is also 1 in both the variable. So adding, that is 3 and 4. You write the full sentence, that is adding equation 3 and 4. So you get x plus y is equal to 5 and minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. So when you add, there is no change of signs. So when you subtract, there is a change of sign. So when you add, you are not going to change any sign. So over here minus and x will get cancelled. Y plus y will give you 2y. 5 minus 1 will give you 4. यहाँ पे 2 multiply है, वहाँ पे जाके divide होगा. So आपको y is equal to 4 upon 2, that is nothing but 2. So the value of y you get as 2. Now to get the value of x, you can use the equation third and fourth over here. You can also use first and second, but it will go a little bigger, you will get a bigger number. So to avoid that, you use third and fourth equation. So you can use the third equation over here. So substituting the value of y in equation, that is third equation. So you write the third equation, x plus y is equal to 5. So you substitute the value of y, so you get x plus 2 is equal to 5. So यहाँ पे plus 2 है, वापस शिफ्ट करोगे तो 5 minus 2 मिलता है, which is equal to 3. So you get the x value as 3. So the solution for this linear equation is x comma y, which is equal to x का वैल्यू मिला है 3 और y का वैल्यू मिला है 2. Question 8, 49x minus 57y is equal to 172 and 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. Same type of question, same method, पहला add करोगे you will get equation number 3, बाद में subtract करोगे you get equation number 4, then you add third and fourth and you get the value of x and y. So let's start. So adding equation 1 and 2. So 49x minus 57y is equal to 172 and 57x minus 41y is equal to 2, sorry this is 49, 252. So you add this, both are subtraction. 49x, 57x, so this will give me 6 and 106. This also will give me 106 with a minus sign, and when you add this you get 4, you get 12 and 424. You take 106 common over here, so when you take 106 common you get x minus y is equal to 424. So you multiply this one over here, it's a multiplication, you divide it, you get x minus y 424 upon 106. So you do the cancellation, so you get 106 4s. So you get x minus y is equal to 4, equation number 3. Now let's subtract. Subtracting equation 1 and 2. So 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. So जब आप subtract करोगे, the sign will change. This minus will change to plus, and this minus plus will change to minus. So 49x minus 57x you get as 8x, that is minus 8x. And minus 57y plus 49y you get minus 8y. 172 minus 252 will give me minus में आएगा, it will be minus. So 252 minus 72, so 252 minus 72 0 1 15. So it will give me 8, so it will give me 80 minus 80. You take 8 common, minus x minus y is equal to minus 80. You shift 8 that side, you get minus x minus y minus 80 upon 8, which is nothing but minus 10. So you get minus x minus y is equal to minus 10, which is nothing but equation number 4. So you get two equations, third and fourth. Now you can add. So adding equation 3 and 4. So x minus y is equal to 4 minus x minus y is equal to minus 10. So यहाँ पे जब add करोगे आप x और x कट हो जाएगा, put an addition sign over here. Minus y and minus y will give me minus 2y. 4 minus 10 will give me minus 6. So minus 2 यहाँ पे multiply है, वापस shift करूँगा तो जगह नहीं होगी. So minus 2y is equal to minus 6. तो अगर मैंने shift किया, so is equal to y is equal to minus 6 upon minus 2, which will give me 3. So y value is 3. Now, हमें y का value मिल गया. You can use any equation, that is equation 3 and 4, and you can substitute the value of y and get the value of x. So substituting, मुझे third equation simple लग रहा है. Substituting, yes. Substituting the value of y in equation 3, right? So x minus y is equal to 4. We substitute the value of y as what you got as y as 3. And you get, when you shift minus 3, you get 4 plus 3, which is equal to 7. So x value is 7. So the solution of x comma y, I'll write it over here. X comma y is equal to, x value is 7 and y value is 3.